Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put into sin x multiplied by sin x squared. Next we have the formula in here. Sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So because we have sin x squared, so I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one to change for this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. This one we change by u square. Sin x dx we change by negative du. So the square root of u we change by u to the power of 1 over 2. And now we put this one multiplied by number 1 and u square in here. So this one we have 5 over 2. And now we have the formula. So we have like this. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 7 over 2. This one we have 7 over 2. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.